Here I have Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the list of all applications. Here you have to choose settings. From the following list, let's find and select the apps right here. Let's choose more key in that corner and choose reset app preferences. So this will reset all your preferences for disabled apps, notification restrictions for apps, default apps, background data restriction for application, and permission restrictions. So what's really important, you won't lose any data of your existing app. So if you would like to accomplish that operation, let's just tap reset, and that's it. You just reset the app preferences. You can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.